Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm a librarian at the North Vancouver City Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make fun use of all the liquid left over in the cans of beans that you may find yourself using a lot of these days. So the liquid left over in a can of beans is called aquafaba, which literally is bean water in Latin. So aquafaba is the cooking liquid that's left over after the beans are cooked from dry. So today we're going to use aquafaba to create a sensory play activity for little ones or a science experiment for older kids. What you're going to see is when aquafaba is vigorously mixed with air, it foams up and behaves like soap, and it becomes a very cool texture. What you'll need is a can of chickpeas, an electric mixer or a whisk, strong arms, and a lot of patience, a colander, and a bowl. You can also add food coloring to the aquafaba for play purposes, but it's not necessary. The first thing you want to do is drain your can of chickpeas into a colander that's placed over a bowl, which I have done here. So what you're left with is the aquafaba, or the cooking liquid of the beans. The efficiency of your aquafaba creation may vary depending on the can of chickpeas you're using. So I'm going to plug in my mixer and get blending. You can see it's been maybe 20 seconds and it's already starting to foam up pretty nice. So I'm going to keep going. After about a minute of using the mixer, my aquafaba is pretty foamy. You could keep mixing the aquafaba until it looks like a meringue, actually, until it has pretty stiff peaks. Or you could stop mixing it at this point and just play with the foam as is. See, it's a really cool texture. Now I'll explain the science behind aquafaba and its foaming properties. When you cook dried beans, they release some of their properties, including starch, proteins, and a compound called saponin, into the cooking water. Saponin makes foam when shaken with water. One side of the saponin molecule clings to water and the other side doesn't. So the saponin molecule forms a barrier between water and air when vigorously mixed, creating bubbles in a foam similar to how soap makes bubbles in foam. You can encourage your kids to describe the difference between the texture and the properties of the aquafaba when it's fresh out of the can versus after you mix it with the mixer. Little ones can use it to play with water toys in the foam. And you can even try using different types of beans and comparing what the aquafaba looks like between a can of chickpeas versus a can of black beans, for example. For more science-based inspiration, you can head to our website, nvcl.ca, click on the Science tab under our Homework Help section. We hope you have a great time with this activity. Thanks so much for watching.